Welcome back to the tutorial series. Today, we'll guide you through installing XAMPP, a crucial step in setting up a local server for WordPress development. By the end, you'll be ready to move on to installing WordPress. Let's dive in. Start by downloading XAMPP from the official website. Choose the version that matches your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux, and click the download button to get the latest version. Once the download is complete, open the installer to begin the setup process. The setup wizard will prompt you to select the components you want to install. For WordPress, ensure Apache, MySQL, and PHP-MyAdmin are selected. After that, choose the installation folder, leaving it as the default if you're unsure, and follow the prompts to complete the installation. After installation, launch the XAMPP control panel. You'll see a list of modules like Apache and MySQL. Start these two modules by clicking their Start buttons. Once they're running, the status indicators will turn green, confirming that your server is active. Now, it's time to test the installation. Open your browser and type http://localhost into the address bar. If the XAMPP dashboard appears, congratulations, your local server is ready to use. That's all for installing XAMPP. In the next tutorial, we'll walk you through downloading and installing WordPress locally so you can start building your website. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you in the next lesson.